Hey, today we're using this board for the demonstration, and we're checking some of the pins at this row component. Now I'm using the Planner City jig, which is the platform, and now place this one straight to the center of the platform. Then close the front door. Then the machine will start navigate itself. Okay. Then we go to the software, turn on the Xray, and use the navigate dots to navigate to the specific place. Then you will see the X-ray image like that. Now we need to figure out which part we need to scan. For example, if you want to check in the Xray component, you need to tilt the axis to see if there's any defect in the DR image. So we can tilt about 47 degrees, you can see here. Then zoom by using the X-ray button. So we'll see this one is not completely filled out, right? You can see still have the empty space. So we can use this part as our scanning object. So we can quickly use this one to return all axes back to 0. Then we navigate to the specific place, which is this one. Then we turn on the thrust grade to do the alignment. Okay, and turn on the 3D scan function, 3D scan interface. We create a new profile like 2026 May-1, and we'll change the resolution right now to give a better. For example, the 8 macron is too close to the screen, so we'll change to like 10, maybe 15. This one's better. Then we choose the layers that we want to use for scanning. You should never use the layers that's less than 1000, so we'll change the default one. It's a 1536. Or use the continuous not step. And the product height, I will define this one probably like 2 millimeters. And the tilt angles, keep it 45 degrees. Then we can start scanning. Once you start, you will see the progress bar. And you can easily see the defect on the DR images which we're focusing on. Then after the scanning, we will see it directly in the 3D software. So I will pause the video because it may need about 5 to 10 minutes about the scanning and the reconstruction.